Kenny got ball. Kenny got ball.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you how I was able to install this beautiful wig. This wig is from Tinashe Hair company. I'm going to put all the links and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below as usual. As you guys can see, this wig is a straight, like a bone straight wig, and it's incredibly long, like seriously. You can see the wig is really long and the hair is absolutely soft, very soft and very beautiful. So for the frontal, it's more of like a lace closure frontal right here. But if you want like more of a side part, you can actually do like a side part right here, because the frontal is a wide lace frontal. So it's quite, I think it's up to here. So you can still do like a side pattern if you want. But I decided to do a middle part, and as you guys can see, it's well laid, very laid and very beautiful. So with the wig comes so many accessories as well, which I'm going to show you guys in the video. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So the bag came with a box and also an accessory bag. So these are the items in the accessory bag. And this is the wig. As you guys can see, it's very beautiful. And this is what the lace closure looks like. And as you can see, it came with a band. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. After putting on the wig, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. Then I'll go ahead and create a middle parting. As I create the parting, I'm going to twist it as well. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hairs. And I'll be laying it down with my Eco Styler gel. Then I'll be spraying my beard hairspray and tying a scarf on it and let it dry for like 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I'm going to take out the scarf. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner. And then I'll apply my heat protectant oil. And then I'm going to go ahead and comb the hair with my hot comb. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig. It looks so beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. And I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.